breath control scale, okay? We're going to be pulling in the diaphragm to raise the semitone. This scale is all about sustain. That's what this scale is about. Let's start down here. Have a listen to me. So, the note we finish on is the note we start on. So, all about control and sustain. So, Ian, this low, you don't need to take in too much air. You don't need too much tightening or pulling in because we're very low on your range. Remember, the business end is up top here, okay? So, don't pull the hand in prematurely. So, 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 double by yourself and tuck. Look in the mirror. Oval, smile, tuck. So oval, smile, tuck. This is the business end now, Ian. We want to take in a bit more air, firm up a little bit more. So one in, oval, smile, tuck. Okay, let me just stop that recording.